Kia ora, my name is Tasha and I'm a pharmacist from Auckland City Hospital. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Ellipta device. First, you'll need to remove your device from the foil packaging. You will need to remove the device from the foil packaging. Throw away the container and the sachet inside. To open the device, hold it upright. Pull back the mouthpiece cover until you hear a click. You will need to hold the device upright at all times, otherwise you may lose the medication inside. Next, to inhale the dose, you will need to breathe out away from the device. You'll need to make a good seal with your lips around the mouthpiece. Also, make sure that you do not block the vents in the front of the device. After this, you will need to breathe in rapidly and deeply and hold your breath for up to 10 seconds. After this, breathe out. After you've inhaled your dose, you will need to rinse your mouth out with water. To do this, gargle and then spit it out. You need to do this to prevent oral thrush and oral spores. You'll need to close the mouthpiece cover by pushing it up until it clicks. There is a counter in the front. This tells you how many doses you have left in your device. Once you get down to around 10 doses, this window will become partially coloured red. When this happens, you'll need to go and get a repeat from your pharmacist or a new prescription from your doctor. Also, you will need to clean this device once a week using a clean, dry cloth. Never clean this device with water, as it will damage it and make the medicine no good. And finally, store this device in a cool, dry place to protect the medicine from heat and moisture. If you have any questions about any of the inhaler devices, please go and ask your pharmacist. They'll be more than happy to help and answer any questions.